There is a hidden door into Canada that nobody is talking about. No, it's not nursing, it's not tech, it's farm jobs. Yes, with real employers, real visa sponsorships, and no degree required. And the best part is that you can apply right after this video. Hey everyone, if you are coming across channel for the very first time, my name is Peace. Please feel free to like this video so that YouTube can promote this video to a wider audience. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already done so. In this channel, I share everything relocation that will help you to live and work in abroad. Real jobs, real links, no flops. I publish videos 3 times a week, okay? So turn on your bell icon so I get to know when I post new videos, okay? Today's video is all about the easiest and most underrated ways to get into Canada in 2025, and yes, it's all about agriculture and farm jobs. So let's get right into it. So why is Canada hiring farm workers from outside the country? This is because of the aging population. Fewer Canadians are willing to do manual jobs. Farming is Canada's 3rd largest employer sector in rural areas. These farms are legally allowed to hire foreign workers using a program called LMIA. We will break that down next, okay? So what is LMIA and visa sponsorship? Okay, LMIA, which is LMIA, stands for Labor Market Impact Assessment, and if an employer gets this approval, they can legally bring in foreign worker and sponsor your work visa. It's like a golden ticket. You don't pay an agent, the employer applies for you. You apply directly to verify jobs, okay? So let me show you real jobs that are open right now. Go to jobbank.gc.ca. I'll be dropping the link in my pinned comment and also in my description, okay? I promise not to do my screen recording again, but most times when I drop the links in my pinned comments, most of you that watch the video 2 weeks later or 1 week later, you'll be complaining that the link is not real. That is because either the employers have taken the number of people they want and they have removed the link on their website or something, okay? That's why I said turn on your bell icon so I get to know when I post new videos, okay? If the link I put in my pinned comment is no longer functioning, that means they have taken the number of people they've wanted or they are no longer sponsoring. It's as simple as that, okay? I choose to do screen recording for you to see real time, okay? So this is Canada's website, right? I don't need to go to Canada to know that everything's online now, okay? I'm responding to a particular comment that say I'm in the UK, I'm doing content about those in Canada. Yes, everything that is in Google. If you research properly, you see everything at your fingertips. Technology has made everything easier for everybody, okay? So when we get here, your career starts here, right? So we're going to be looking for the job category agriculture, location Canada, and the keyword LMIA or farm worker, right? So let's search. Click on search. We are looking for the keyword farm worker. So let's click on this place, farm worker. I don't have a particular city, okay? I just do the whole of the country. That's Canada. Then click on go. Bonus tip: when you come to this site, if you're not interested in doing farm work, there are other jobs you can do that is LMIA approved, okay? So this is worker farm. This was just published 5th of June 2025, okay? You can apply directly. Direct apply. See, it says here 6 vacancies. Start as soon as possible, okay? English, education, no degree, certificate or diploma, experience, you'll be trained, okay? Work must be completed at the physical location. There is no option to work remotely. Work site environment, outdoors, dusty, hot, noisy, odors, wet, damp, tree, orchard, blah, blah, blah. Work setting, staff, accommodation provided, responsibility. This is everything you need to know about the work you want to do. Types of crops, blueberries. Then additional information, work conditions and physical capability. Physically demanding. Of course, it's a farm work now, it will be physically demanding. Repetitive tasks, attention to detail, handling heavy loads, hand to eye condition, all of that. Okay, so yes. So if you can click on direct apply, you have to sign up with your name and all of that, okay? So yes, you can see this is another one as well. This one has pending LMIA, right? Like I said, LMIA is one that has the right to sponsor. If you go on the Canadian website, if you look for one that does not have LMIA, they might not respond to your application, but look for the one that is LMIA. Okay, so this is job detail: on-site permanent employment, full-time, start as soon as possible for vacancy. Okay, this is pending labor market impact assessment, that's LMIA application. Okay, so it says that the employer could not find a Canadian worker for this job and apply for a labor market impact assessment to hire a temporary worker. Okay, so this one is pending its result from the Canadian government to give an ability to recruit foreign workers. You get, okay? So Canadian workers, including Canadians, are still encouraged to apply. If you apply but haven't heard back from the employer, please contact Job Bank. Okay, so the employer's LMIA is currently under review by the temporary foreign worker. Okay, so this if you are applying now and you've not heard from them, because it's pending LMIA. LMIA is an employer that is having the right to give visa sponsorship. Okay, so yes, overview: English education, no degree, certificate or diploma is needed. Okay, 1 to less than 7 months, on-site. Okay, physical location, no option to work remotely. Then this is the tax: clear fields of woods and stones, greenhouse cleaning, mixing fertilizer, and all of that. You can read it by yourself. Okay, so advertised until 25th 2025 June 21. This job posting will close. Okay, so yeah, let's check another one. We have been specific the one that has LMIA, okay, because the one that can sponsor your application. LMIA approve, LMIA approve, LMIA approve. All these ones, I'm not sure they will give sponsorship because it doesn't have LMIA. But let me see. 10 vacancies, no degree, certificate or diploma will train. Who can apply? Like I told you, do not apply if you're not authorized to work in Canada. This one doesn't have LMIA. Okay, that's why LMIA are the ones, employers that have the right to sponsor you. Okay, so look for the one that has LMIA pending. That means they've put in the application to sponsor foreign workers. Okay, so let me look for one more. Show more results. Or do you know what I can actually add in my search tool? I'll just say LMIA. Location Canada. I broaden my search so that it will just be LMIA jobs, LMIA employers that will come out. Okay, pending LMIA. As you can see, chicken catcher. You can catch chicken. Come and apply. So click on it. This is March 3rd. I think the application is still ongoing. Okay, full time, 10 vacancies. Okay, so it says the employer could not find a Canadian worker for this job and apply for a labor market, so to hire a temporary foreign worker. Okay, so this is everything you need to know. So like I said, go for LMIA, sponsor your job, general laborer, farm, direct apply, pending LMIA. Okay, so the key is that when you go to their site, look for words that has LMIA approval, pending LMIA. Okay, then like I told you, they're the ones responsible for the employer. Okay, so let's continue with the video. So I'll give you guys how to apply step by step. Okay, I've already said everything in my screen recording, but I'll just highlight it here. Okay, so visit the job bank via the link in my pinned comments. Search using filters like LMIA, that's LMIA, or farm or agriculture. Click on job listing, then how to apply. Most of them use email or online form. Then you attach your resume plus short cover letter. No agent needed. There is no upfront payment. Just apply with a clean resume. Okay, I can show you in another video if you want. Let me know that in the comment section. Okay, so who can apply and what's the requirement needed? Like you have seen it in my screen recording, you don't need a degree, you don't need a perfect English, but you need the following: to be physically fit because it's a manual labor, and it must be committed to the contract for 6 to 24 months, thereabout. Okay, and it must have a clean criminal record, then a valid passport. This is optional but very helpful. Okay, you must be experienced in farming or manual jobs, have basic English or French from a rural background, okay? So I'm gonna give you guys a bonus tip. But before then, if you have watched up to this point, have you liked this video? Have you subscribed to the channel? Is your bell icon turned on? Have you shared? Please go ahead and do that, okay? Boost my morale, and thank you for coming back to hang around with me, okay? So how can this lead to permanent residency? Yes, some provinces allow farm workers to apply for PR through special streams, okay, like Agri-Food pilot in Ontario or Alberta, professional nominee program PDP for workers with 1 year plus experience. These jobs can be a stepping stone to long-term residency, okay? So a quick warning and scams to avoid: don't pay anyone upfront. Somebody dropped a comment in my section that he applied for one of the video and they requested for money. I've said, you guys, real employers don't ask for any money upfront. Please beware of this, okay? Don't accept job offers from WhatsApp. Don't apply to jobs without company names. All legit jobs will be posted publicly, like job bank or employer details if you are in Canada. But if you're in the UK, all legit jobs are posted in Indeed or every other public job listing website, okay? And you should never pay for an LMIA. The employer pays, not you, okay? So if you have been looking for a real way to work abroad, this is your chance. The jobs are open now and employers are actively hiring. Don't sleep on this, okay? So subscribe to this channel, comment the country so I can tailor the next video you'd want me to publish, like and share to help someone who needs this, okay? I'll be dropping all of the links in my description and in my pinned comment, all right? Until next time, I'll definitely see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.